Okay, it's a new day. Today, what I think I'm gonna do is the seat is very dirty. On the floor, the carpet's gotta go. And there's mouse crap back there, so I'm gonna I'm gonna unbolt the seat, pull that out, vacuum that all out, rip the carpet out, and then probably just put the seat back in there. That way the carpet's not rotting the floor any more than it already is. And then I should, I don't know. Then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna do that now. Now for the hard part. See if I can squeeze this out by myself or if I gotta go grab another hand. Okay, I got that out. That's gonna need some work. A little cleaning. Clean that off. Shouldn't be too bad then. Look how the bottom looks. Surprisingly, there were mice living in the glove box and stuff, but foam under there still looks pretty good. So should be able to reuse this. Maybe just get a cover for it because I'm cheap. So. Now, you can take a look in here and see everything that's got to go on now. A lot of vacuuming, some random paperwork in here. Them birds are really annoying. Jeez. All they do is crap on this thing. Well, this is not going to be useful for me. Let's play with the rest of the junk in the back. What else surprises we got in here? Brake fluid. Okay. There's not much in there. Who knows how old that is. Oh, score. 9/16 Craftsman wrench. Oh, I think I see another one back here. Well, so a 1/2-inch Craftsman wrench. Score. Big washer. Fuse. A quarter. Broken fuse, even better. Some random garbage. Just throw that in there for now. These are for the seat bolts. Don't want to lose them. Guessing this is for the. Let's put those up there. Some random wiring. I'm guessing that was run for the speakers. There ain't much left of that though. The whole wiring for the radio's all tore out. I'm thinking I found this Wish radio. 16 bucks. It's like a vintage radio. Oh, that's nice. So maybe if this video gets enough views, I'll buy that and we could try squeezing that in there. So I don't know, that'll be interesting if it fits or not. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is clean this crap out, vacuum it out, and then I'll come back. Okay, so that turned out pretty good. I mean, I got all the crap out of it, all the stuff. I mean, it's good enough for now. Found another dime. It's good enough for now because I'm going to end up ripping it out anyways, eventually. You know, because, I mean, this carpet's kind of wet, and there's just this slightly small hole in the floor here that I'll have to fix, so that's no big deal. But back here, I don't know if I pull some of this up. I don't know what it'll look like. It's not too bad back there. It's solid. I don't know if you can see in there, but yeah, it seems to be solid in there. It just seems to be once you get up in here. It's kind of rusty in there. I don't know how well you can see, but there's obviously a hole there. I don't know what the other side looks like. It's got that trim on it. I'd have to wait until I pull it off to see what it looks like. But I think I'm going to vacuum out the seat now. I'll do that. And then, I don't know, put it back in there for now. Just hand tighten the bolts back in. Just so if we get it running in the next video, we could maybe drive it. Well, I'm not sure. The front driver's side, front passenger side calipers froze up, and they're super rusty. But I mean, I got pedal. The brakes work. They're just a little froze up. So I'm planning on getting new drums and rotors. I mean, not new drums. Drums cut, new rotors, new calipers, because they're pretty cheap. So if I get all that, brakes work, steering's fine. So I'm gonna have this Carter sent in because it's got that 750 Holly on it, and the intake's too big too. So we're gonna put a different intake on it, and then I'll have a Carter sent in and rebuilt, and then that should be pretty good. I mean, here's another veer on the outside, rusty, need a new panel there. Tailgate's a little dented in, but that's okay. This side is just falling apart, so we'll have to get a new one of those. So, over here, yeah. I can't peek under here, they still got this trim on, I'll just take that off and look under there, but I wonder how it looks back here. Oh yeah, still there. See, I do like this color, blue, a lot. So, I really like that color. So when the time comes, that just might be the color I paint the outside, or at least try to get it really close to it so it sort of matches. I may need a new dash up here. The dash it's beat. It's had some rough times, so yeah. Now I'm gonna do the seat, and then I will see you back when I'm done with doing that. Okay, I am just so excited that this is so nice. There's not, like, there were mice living behind the seat and in the glove box. And the seat is just like pristine under here. 8766. That's what that says right there. This is, yeah, I mean, it's a little rusty over there, but it's not even that bad. They're all still intact. But I mean, the whole driver's side floor pan is gone and, you know, rusted away, and the seat is just a little rusty. I mean, the seat, it works too. The seat moves forward and backwards like it should, and I'll oil those up before I put it back in. But yeah, I'm excited. It's a big step that this seat works. I cleaned it out. It's got a few stains in it, and hopefully, I don't know. There's got to be something that's that I can buy that'll maybe just help a little bit. I mean, it's not too bad. It's probably worse on camera than it is here, but yeah, it's not too bad. And maybe I'll probably just get a seat cover for it too. Something nice, but not too nice because I'm cheap, to cover up, you know, the holes in the seats. But otherwise, it's not too bad. The foam is still good. And, I mean, folds. It's not all locked up and everything. That's nice. And the floor. Carpet, you know, it turned out a little better than I expected, but I'll get new carpet eventually. For now, I'm going to keep it in there. I can always the seat just pops out pretty easily, so then I'll just rip the carpet out and put new stuff in when I want to. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. But for now, I'm just going to oil up the sliders on that, and I'm going to shove it back in there. So let's, I guess we'll just do that now then. Okay, I'm not going to bolt it in for now. I'm just going to leave it like this. It's got it all lined up. It looks pretty good, so we're going to leave it for like this for now. I got the bolts up in there and over there just so I don't lose them, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. And then, I don't know what's next. We'll probably try to start it later, sometime this week. So I think what I'll do, maybe in a separate video here, is pull out this radio. And then I'll throw it on my bench and I'll mess with all the wiring and try to get all of that to work. And make sure the radio all works. And then I'll wire it back in there. Or, like I was saying, Wish Radio, 20 bucks. If I get enough views on this video, I'll buy one and we'll try to wedge it in there. So, without wrecking anything, we'll try to wedge that in there. So, we'll see what happens. Make this video blow up, guys. Share, like, subscribe. All of it. Thumbs up, it all helps. Comments, you know. Oh, one thing, I need a name for this truck. So you guys think you got any good name ideas? Leave in the comments, and if I like it, maybe I'll just name the truck it. You know, maybe that's what I'll name it. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.